back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to clean blinds easily and effectively. Whether you have wood, faux wood, or metal blinds, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First, you'll need a few supplies: a microfiber cloth, a vacuum with a brush attachment, a bowl of warm water, a small amount of mild dish soap, and a clean sponge or a soft brush. Step 2. Dusting the blinds. Start by closing the blinds. Use the vacuum with the brush attachment to gently remove dust from the surface. If you don't have a vacuum, you can use a microfiber cloth to wipe away the dust. For vertical blinds, work from top to bottom. Step 3. Cleaning with soapy water. Mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water in your bowl. Dip the sponge or soft brush into the soapy water and gently wipe each slat. For stubborn spots, let the soapy water sit for a few minutes before wiping again. Step 4. Rinsing and drying. After cleaning, rinse the sponge with clean water and wipe down the slats to remove any soapy residue. Use a dry microfiber cloth to dry each slat thoroughly. Step 5. Deep cleaning for stubborn dirt. If your blinds are extremely dirty, you might need a deeper clean. Take them down and soak them in a bathtub filled with warm, soapy water for about an hour. Then, scrub them gently with a sponge or soft brush. Step 6. Special care for wood blinds. For wood blinds, avoid soaking or using excessive water. Use a wood cleaner or a damp cloth with a bit of mild detergent. Wipe dry immediately to prevent water damage. Step 7. Reassemble and final touches. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your blinds and hang them back up. Step 8. Regular maintenance. To keep your blinds looking their best, dust them regularly. A quick dusting every week can prevent buildup and make deep cleaning less frequent. And that's it. Your blinds are now clean and look like new. Cleaning blinds might seem difficult, but with these steps, it's very easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and home maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more home decor hacks. See you in the next video.